There is an alternative method available for setting your access rules. Some designers might prefer this method, although it is still normally better to set your standard rule for all stage and role combinations first. This alternative method is quite useful for making modifications to your rules too. There are two overview options available, the first of which can be found in the Object Overview section in the left-hand navigation panel. To use this option, select a specific stage and role combination and view the states of the object on your form for that combination. From this dialog box, you can see the states, and you can also modify them or reset back to default if needed. Please do be aware that resetting from this panel will only reset the states of the objects for the selected stage and role combination. Also be aware that this panel, like most in PerfectForms, can be expanded by using the grab handle at the bottom right hand corner. An alternative Object Overview button can be found in each of the Object Properties panel, adjacent to the State drop-down. Using this button, you can see the state of the object at the different stage and role combinations. Once again, you can modify the states for specific stage and role combinations from here, or you can reset to default in order to start again. If you use the drop-downs to the left of the matrix, you will be able to set the state for that specific stage, but for all roles. The drop-downs at the top will allow you to set the state for that specific role, but for all stages. You may find this to be a more convenient way to manage your field states, especially when it comes down to making modifications to existing rules, as it's clearer to see everything in this type of overview panel.